Hello everyone.
How are you? Welcome to my channel. So today in this video you will get to see a very beautiful but very easy Mehndi design. Take a look at a small glimpse of that design so that you get an idea as to what type of design we are going to make today. So let's start. First of all, we will create a beautiful flower here. For that I am taking the outline of the flower here. After that we will fill it. Basically we will create a type of floral plus leaf bunch here by adding an Arabic element along with it. So first let us complete this bunch. So our first bunch has been created here. Tell you about this bunch in the comments. How does it look? Let's start making another bunch. This bunch is going to be a little different. In this, we will keep the same flowers but will change the remaining elements and will also add filling of checks in a zigzag shape. This bunch has to be made around the thumb, which will give a very beautiful look to the overall design, and we have used a lot of Arabic elements in this. Now you have told all the details as to how. Now we are going to make this bunch. So let's complete this bunch as well. Take it. This bunch is also complete. Now only the final part of this design is left, which is the fingers design. So here, the fingers design should be such that it goes with the design and gives a beautiful look to the complete design. So, I have said here I have made a V-shaped design on 4 fingers. I have created leaves here and now I am filling in it. And see, our design is fully completed. Stylish, beautiful, trending, yet easy to make the design. So tell me how you like this design. Do comment, and if you have learned something from this, then like this video. Next, you want to see what kind of video? Do comment, I will try to make it. I will meet you in the next video. Take care, bye.